doing this video again? Am I actually redoing my front strips? And I'm not British. And am I doing it this color now? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something I've never done before. I love when I say that because it's like I've obviously done it. As you can see from one of my previous videos, this one, you can see that I dyed my front strips purple. The thing is, my roots have come through now and the blonde is fading out and the purple is non-existent. It's like a weird color now, but I actually like it. But the thing is, I was like, let's do another color. Let's just make this a continuous thing. And I found this color, which is the exact same brand as the purple we got. And then we bought some more bleach, hair, blonde, whatever it's called. Is it bleach? Yeah, I guess so. Let's do this. Let's re-dye the front again and add some semi-permanent crimson color. The purple has faded. I just spat everywhere. I hope you can't see that. I'm screwed because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, what we're gonna do first, before I read the instructions, is I'm gonna separate brown from my purple. I don't know what I'm doing. This is why I made Alexi do it the first time. Oh my god, my hair's actually like, I mean, it doesn't look long, but it feels like it's getting longer since formal. Okay, I think I've got all the purple strands on that side. Hopefully, that's what I'm hoping. And it looks pretty even. That's pretty even to me. We have separated my hair. It's the best that I can do to get all the... You know what? I don't know if I'm doing this right, but it's fine. This is a funny experience. 1, preparation. Place and a watch nearby. I might leave my phone somewhere so I know the time. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave it as long as I... No, when I put it on, I'll quickly go and check the clock out there to see if the time's right. They're massive. Ew, I feel like... Oh my god, I put it on the wrong hand. Because my thumb wasn't like fitting. I was like, what is happening? Remove the protection cap from the applicator bottle. What am I doing? I don't get it. Guys, I don't know what I'm supposed to do to unseal the plug. Oh. The plug. Guys, the plug fell into the liquid. It's not coming out. Okay, so there's a little plug stuck in the bottle. Wow, that's just great. I don't know how this is gonna work, so I'm gonna turn my camera and we're gonna... There is so much in here, I don't know what to do. I spilt it all on the bench top. Oh. Don't inhale, don't inhale. I don't know if you can see that. Let's start. Look at that. It's like yogurt. I'm shaking. Why is there so much? Why doesn't it stop? Oh, ew. Here we go. That's gonna have to be the last bit. Guys, this is actually hurting my hands so much. Start mixing by rolling the bowl horizontally. Then shake vigorously vertically. We've almost finished. Let's go. Okay, opening the tip, opening the tip. Oh, no, it's fine, it's fine. I went on my mirror, but that's fine. And then it says I have to start application. You know what? We have a headband here that I'm just gonna put behind. I'm gonna start with the roots. I mean, that's logical, isn't it? This is so dodgy. This is, oh, yuck, I can like smell it so much. I like it. I know it, oh my god. It's like stinging my eyes, but it's not in my eyes. It's stinging. I'm gonna start the other side now. I'll see you guys when this side is done too, and if I need to adjust anything else. The dark brown parts, they're coming through now. I don't know if I should add more. My head, oh my god. I'm just letting you know it stings so bad. It is now time to rinse this out of my hair. Apply warm water, so we're gonna turn it to warm. Let's do burning hot water. Let's burn my scalp again. Alright, that's pretty warm. It is hot. Okay, I'm gonna start rinsing. Oh, that's burning me. Can you see the steam? That do be looking pretty blonde. It's so orange, it's so orange, it's so orange. I'm just gonna quickly just get it like a towel dry. Cover after treatment, what does it say? Is it all of this? I'd say it's all of it. We want it to look as blonde as we can so the red comes through. Oh, it smells so... Can you guys see that? Oh, that is exploding everywhere. We're gonna sit that in the sink. Start to apply this purple substance. Perfect. I feel like that side's done, so we'll leave that. I love that. I love doing that. Is that funny? I could rinse it in the sink again, but that was like really annoying. That was a really annoying process. So I might just stand in the shower, just like lean my head forward and just rinse in front of the shower. Our room's bad. Got rid of bad. On your ass. Like, why is everything from? Yeah. You know what? I'm just gonna wash my whole head because this is a bit impossible. That was a bloody mission. I don't know why I didn't just have a shower. So I'll dry my hair and we'll start applying the crimson dye. So let's go. I'm just gonna be using my hands. The red will wash out like off my hands. This is gonna look sick. Okay, don't mind me. I know it's all on my hands. When I had to keep topping up with my purple, I'd use my hands. And it does wash out. It's just easier to do it with my hands. Sick ass. It is coming off. I'd like to think it is anyway. Oh my god, it's like pink on my hands. I'll leave that in for 15 minutes, that's what it says. So I'm just gonna look at you. If you guys like the final product, let's zoom right into it. Alright guys, I actually haven't seen what my hair looks like, so I'm gonna take the towel off and let's see. Sick as, sick as. Oh my god, guys. This actually looks sick. I'm gonna record Alexi's reaction for you. Look.
Oh my god.
Do you like it?
That looks so good.
Thanks. And it's still wet, that's why it's so red.
Oh my god, can I touch it? Is that even real? Oh my gosh, that's like so pigmented.
I know. There's the final product, guys. It looks sick. Oh my god. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Hope you like this. I might do another color soon. Who knows? See you next time, guys. Peace.